All right. So I want to come and talk about accounting being the language of business. What does that mean? Well, Warren Buffett said it back in 2014. Who was Warren Buffett? The richest man in the world. So when we talk about, well, today in 2023, he is third on the list, but we know he's been at the top for a long time. So if Warren Buffett advised an intern back in 2014 that accounting is the language of business, then that probably means something if you want to have some money, right? For me, I'm saying have knowledge, have money, period. Accounting is the basis of business to me, though, because, and why it's on my website, is because when I went to school and I heard that, it really hit for me that, you know what, that's true. I had already had 10 years of experience in corporate America, working, in different administrative jobs and whatnot. And so when I got my degree, I was able to relate to what that meant, right? Because in business, you have to account for everything that you have, right? So accounting is the language of business. You have to be able to account for stuff. That's what that means. And again, if Warren Buffett is saying it, he knows the sauce. He knows the secret, right? He cracked the code. And so then I said, okay, he said that in 2014. It hit for me, but where did it really originate somewhere else? And it did. Accounting, the language of business. We got to give these people props. Roman, Patricia, Michael, and Clyde. And of course, I had to get the book. There's a lot of terminology in here, probably way more than anybody that's watching this wants to know, including myself. But if I ever want to refer to some stuff, I have this book. So accounting is the language of business. Believe it. Again, you got Warren Buffett that said it. You want to be rich, which a lot of people aspire to do. Or basically, for me, it's about have knowledge on accounting, especially this is for small businesses where I save them time, energy, and money, right? With effective accounting practices, because it's important, right? So have knowledge, have money. That is my mantra. And it's real and it's true because you have to know the other principles that I talked about, right? The three key principles: count your own bag, at least get that firm knowledge of knowing how to count your own bag. And then the second one, that fraud is real. So people will take advantage of you, and fraud is real. And then the third one is definitely accounting being the basis of business. So go to my website, JRambus.com, sign up for my mailing list, and that way you can stay informed on some knowledge to count your own bag and have some money, as accounting is the language of business, y'all. All right. JRambus.com.